Add cube, scale down on X and Z-axis. Tab to edit mode, bevel, object. Change segment, number to 5. Adjust scale, shade smooth by angle. Add cube, scale down and along Z-axis. Adjust position and scale if needed. Tab to edit mode, bevel, object. Change segment, number to 5. Shade smooth by angle. Add cube, scale along Y-axis. Scale down along X-axis. Adjust position. Tab to edit mode, bevel, object. Change segment, number to 5. Add one loop, cut, click and slide to move. Select face, extrude inwards a little. Separate selection. Shade computer, smooth by angle. Go to Edit tab, then select Preferences. Search for image, check Import image as plain box. Shift S and move cursor to selected screen. Go to File, Import, then Image as planes. Select image or video to use for computer screen. Rotate, scale, and adjust position. Select object to add new material. Change color and adjust metallic to 0.75. Select objects and join together. Hide or delete original screen so you can view the image as plain. Adjust position along X-axis. Go to Shading tab. Delete Principled BSDF. Add Emission node. Connect color to color and emission to surface. Adjust emission strength. Select face, Shift S to move cursor to selected. Import image as plain. Rotate, scale, and adjust position. For emission to work in Cycles Render, go to Compositing tab. Add Glare node and Inwas node. Change streaks to Fog Glow.